These steak bites start with a kiss of smoke, then hit a blazing hot cast iron skillet before getting tossed in a sticky, hot honey garlic glaze. They're packed with flavor, amazing texture, and just might be the easiest crowd-pleasing steak recipe you'll make all year. We have here about 3 pounds of fresh, never frozen sirloin steak. Begin by trimming any hard fats or silver skin, then cut these into approximately 1.5-inch squares. They can be a little more or a little less depending on your preference. Get them into a large bowl, add about 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, and season these up generously with our LSG Texas Bold. Or just use your favorite steak rub. Use those hand mixers to get these coated well, then place them on a metal rack. We're going to pair these steak bites up with a hot honey garlic butter glaze. Use a small cast iron pot or any pot suitable for your smoker. Add 1 stick of butter, 6 cloves of chopped garlic, 1/2 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of your favorite hot sauce, 2 tablespoons of Worcester sauce, a pinch or more of red pepper flakes, and once again about a tablespoon of our LSG Texas Bold. Place the cover on and this is ready to go. Our Lone Star Grillz El Fuego Trio is big, bold, and beautiful. Its name stands for Triple Fire Grill because it can cook with charcoal, wood, or pellets. We'll be starting today's cook-off on the pellet side at a temperature of 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Once fully preheated, get the hot honey glaze on the top shelf and the steak bites over the pellet side. Then close the lid and let these absorb some smoke for about 30 minutes. During that time, get yourself a cast iron skillet ready and light some coals for the charcoal side. About 30 minutes later, you can see these have taken on some smoke and some color, and it's now time to finish these over the charcoal side in a cast iron skillet. So get your skillet nice and hot, add a little avocado oil, and finish these off in the skillet in batches with the hot honey butter glaze. There's no set time for this, just finish them to your desired doneness and texture. We're serving ours up with some green onion, sesame seed, and sliced jalapeno. And be sure to grab a few of these right away because they're gonna go quick. Thank you for watching. We truly appreciate your support, and as always, if you've got questions on any of our products at any time, just give us a call or check out our links below.